VPN gateway allows a secure encrypted connection between your cloud network, VNet or VPC, and an on-premises data center or another cloud provider. It supports site-to-site, point-to-site, and VNet-to-VNet connections. In Azure, it's called a VPN gateway, while in AWS, it's known as a virtual private gateway. You typically use a VPN device, like a firewall or router, on your side that connects to the gateway over the public internet, using IPsec/IKE protocols. VPN gateways are essential for hybrid cloud models where you want to securely extend your corporate network into the cloud. 12. What is ExpressRoute or Direct Connect in cloud networking? ExpressRoute, Azure, and Direct Connect, AWS, are private, dedicated connections between your on-premises infrastructure and the cloud provider. Unlike VPNs that traverse the public internet, these connections use private fiber links for higher security, reliability, and lower latency. They are ideal for large enterprises with strict compliance needs, data-heavy workloads, or disaster recovery scenarios. These services often connect via partner network providers and may come with options for redundancy and failover. While more expensive than VPNs, they provide guaranteed performance and are preferred for mission-critical applications. 13. What are route tables and how do they work in VNets? Route tables in VNets define how traffic is directed from one subnet to another or to external networks. Each subnet can be associated with a custom route table that overrides default routes. Routes specify a destination IP prefix and the next hop, virtual appliance, internet, virtual network gateway. For instance, to force traffic through a firewall appliance, you can create a route to 0.0.0.0/0 with